My name is Christian General Serna, and I will be demonstrating a 5S of good housekeeping. So, number 1, Siri or sort out. It involves of removing all the unnecessary things in our kitchen area. What I did here is I prepare a plastic to put all the leftover rice and foods that already expired and put it in our trash can. Number 2, seaton or systematize. It involves of arranging or organizing specific things in your area. What I did here is to arrange and clean or unused plates and kitchen utensils and other stuff to its specific area. Number 3, siso or sweep or shine. It involves washing the dishes, sweeping the floors, wiping the surface area, and many more. The things that I did here is washing the used plates and other utensils because washing a dishes is also a part of siso. Number 4, Shikitsu or standardize. It involves setting up standard for neat, clean kitchen area. The things I did here is creating and put a label of each steps in order to not misuse the product or the spices. Number 5, Shitsuke or self-discipline. It refers to our self-discipline to commit in 5S, which are Siri, Siton, Siso, Shitskitsu, and lastly, Shitsuke. What I did here is to create this time schedule in our refrigerator in order to have a self-discipline.